Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? The sun plus dance. Sundance. Kid. The Sundance Kid. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
All right. Good. All right. Well, let me introduce the gentleman on my left, since he appears to be the one who is most eager to get going today.
Yes, sir.
Wearing a UNLV, the Runnin' Rebels sweatshirt, and the young lady
Laker
says
diehard.
boo. Don Loudenbach is his name. Welcome
Thank you.
aboard, Don.
How you
Where are
doing?
you from?
I'm from Ontario. I'm married to my beautiful wife, Deborah. Hello, Deborah. And I've got two beautiful kids, Cody and Amanda. And they're at home right now biting their fingernails, hoping that Daddy comes home with something.
All right. Well, good luck to you
Thank
against
you.
this young lady who said boo. Oh, she's trembling or she's faking it. Her name is Emily Kim. Hi, Emily.
Hi, Alex.
Welcome aboard. Where are you from?
I was born in Seoul, Korea, but I grew up here in Southern California.
Where do you live now and what do you do?
I live in Van Nuys right now. I'm a teacher, teaching English as second language.
Good for you. Ready to play?
Thank you. Oh, I'm ready.
Okay, take a look over here. One of the prizes in this first game today.
Martin Lawrence Gallery's impressive limited edition Reflection Suite by Mark King, consisting of 4 serigraphs, Rainy Day, Montmartre, Spring Magnolia Blossoms, and By the Sea. Each is numbered and hand-signed by the artist, furnished by Martin Lawrence Gallery.
And the lovely artwork on our game board at number 23, a holiday in Florida at a spa and fitness resort establishment. And Don, you get to pick first.
All right,
2 numbers,
thank you.
please.
Let's get this thing going with the wild card right off the bat. Number 10.
Stereo system.
Ooh, I'd love that. Number 12, please.
Diamond pendant. Good prize, but no match. Emily.
I'm going to Florida under number 17.
No, you're going to a stereo system.
That sounds good too. I'm going anywhere. Number 10.
Number 10 makes it a match because you just saw it. So you're going to make the first match. And we are now going to open 2 panels for Emily. Pick again.
Okay, still looking for the Florida under number 19.
Diamond pendant.
And that was under number 12.
Number 12. Boy, it worked out very nicely for you, Emily.
Wow.
2 in a row.
Good going, Emily. Good
The 2 revealed by Dawn wind up being matches for you. 2 more doors opening. Select.
Okay, I really want to go to Florida under number 7.
Camping
Camping
equipment.
equipment. Maybe I go to Yosemite. Okay. That camping equipment is under number 20.
Yes, it
God, you can't beat
is. What is that, Emily?
Because it's just a psych down out.
Doing a good job at that.
Is that something Korean?
No, it's something Emily.
Oh, it's just yours? It's how you psych out your opponents? Or
That's
those
right.
people that you want to triumph over?
I just psyched you out, Alex. Now. Hello.
We get them all, folks. We get them all.
I'll sit a little bit over here.
Open it up. Emily's going to select again.
Okay, still looking for that Florida under number 11.
Electronic keyboard.
Electronic keyboard. My brother will love that. Let's look for a wild card under number 13.
No, but you finally found Florida,
All right.
Emily. You
Okay,
finally
Emily.
found Florida.
Yeah, I did.
Don's going to get a shot
Okay, Emily, I'm going to have to take that from you. Okay, let's find Florida under number 25.
at it. Electronic keyboard.
Ooh, and the match that was under number 11.
Right.
Yes.
A match for Don. A first prize in his column. He gets a look at the puzzle. Go again.
Okay, we need another match here. Keep her off. How about wild card under number 15?
Toaster, oven, and
My
broiler.
wife could use that. She's a good cook. How about the match under number 2?
There's a match. You're doing the same thing Emily did. Emily, you didn't psych him out enough.
No.
He's coming back. He's got good
I need
vibes.
another one. Okay, now this one.
All right, let's open up the toaster oven and broiler. I think Emily's missing Dawn and hitting me with all this stuff. Go, Dawn.
Okay. We need that wild card death laner, number 21.
Green take.
I'll take that. I'll take that. And match number 3.
Florida Spa and Fitness Center. The vibes may be working for Emily. Here it goes. The eyes, the smile, the selection.
Florida is under number 13.
Right?
I'm going to Florida under number 3.
Right. Psyching out your opponent is one thing. Solving the puzzle is altogether different. Let's see if you can do it now, Emily.
Alex, is it? Don't waste your breath.
She says, don't waste your breath. And she is right.
Good girl.
Come on, Emily. Oh, boy. That's terrific.
Okay, we have a don't right here, plus NT for don't. The arrows are pointing to the waist. Waist, Y plus or is your, and this guy's going, ha, breath. Don't waste your breath.
Come on, Emily, do it.
Good. Well done. You're a lot of fun, too. John, one strike
Come on,
only.
Emily, get it. Let's
You're
go.
coming
Thanks,
back
Dawn.
in game 2. We'll see you then. Right now, we are going to go over and see Gene as he tells us all about the prizes this young lady has just won, including a holiday in Florida. Gene, go.
A diamond pendant and camping equipment. Academy Broadway products designed for carefree outdoor fun includes dome tent, nylon sleeping bags, double wide air mattress, and travel packs. Furnished by Academy Broadway and the stereo system. This Sanyo remote-controlled stereo music system features CD player with 16 selection, programmability, double cassette deck with Dolby, noise reduction, and 3-way speakers. Furnished by Sanyo and a Florida Spa and Fitness Center. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tampa. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality. Furnished by Delta Airlines. And you may enjoy 7 nights of the total fitness plan at Safety Harbor Spa and Fitness Center on Tampa Bay. Meals, daily massages, exercise classes, sports, skincare institute, and more. Furnished by Safety Harbor Spa and Fitness Center. And we have a prize package totaling, $7,815.
Gene is good, but he doesn't do that sound as well as you do. $78.15 for Emily, and she gets to play for a brand new car after this break. Come back. Emily's psyching routine obviously worked in the game against Dawn, but now she needs every positive vibe she can muster, and the people in our studio audience want her to win the car. So let's hear it, folks. How are you going to do it?
Oh, perfect.
Perfect, right?
I'm all psyched up.
Okay, 15 numbered squares for you, Emily. 35 seconds, base time on the clock. Good luck, go to work.
1, 2,
No,
4, 5,
no,
7, 8,
no,
1, 8,
no,
4, 8,
yes,
10, 11,
no,
7, 11,
no,
13, 14,
no,
11, 14,
no,
3, 6,
no,
13, 6,
yep,
9, 10,
no,
7, 9,
no,
12, 15,
no.
2, 15.
You may be too young. You may be too young to remember the motion picture that Dustin Hoffman starred in called Little Big Man. Have you ever seen that?
Big Little Man?
No, Little Big Man.
No.
But there was a chief in there played by Chief Dan George, an Indian chief, and he had a very wise saying. He said, some days the magic works, and some days it doesn't. This time it didn't work for you, but in the
Maybe
game
next
it did.
time.
Maybe next time. Right, good attitude. Meanwhile, enjoy $7,815 in prizes. We'll come back. We'll play game number 2 against Don Laudenbeck after this. Isn't this turning into a marvelous day? It's a lot of fun for me because of these 2 contestants. Don's vulnerable, however. He's got that one strike against him, and that means he's got to work extra hard in this game. And
Just like
Emily's
the Lakers.
already given him the little psych job here. Oh, boy, and that's dangerous stuff, as you know.
right.
Let's take a look over here. Crunch time for this as one of the prizes.
This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is destined to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry features beveled glass and rotating moon dial, gracefully elegant, furnished by Wurlitzer. Alex.
Lovely piece of furniture.
All right, Emily, come on.
Beautiful.
Good luck.
Take a look on the board. Here's where you'll find the grandfather clock, lower left-hand corner at number 21. Since this is the second game, we will have just the one wild card. But
That's all I need.
we have the bonus seconds.
That's all I need.
Bonus seconds, 5 of them, help you if you get to the winner's circle.
Daddy.
We have the cash pot, it's up to $600. And we have a holiday on the Isle of St. Martin. Don,
Come on, big guy upstairs.
big guy or big lady upstairs?
Big
You get
guy.
to pick first.
All right, I really love that trip. So would my wife. Let's try number 15, please.
Green take.
Take that. Okay, how about a match under 22?
Wild card. The green take on the board at number 9 for the natural match. You've got security here.
What's she got?
She has nothing right now, but this will help later on.
Alex.
Take me, she says. Open these 3 panels for Dawn. You could take me and take me over to Price
I
is
got
Right.
that wild card out of her grab. Okay, let's go with number 12, please.
Dishwasher.
Ooh, my mom would love that. How about number 10, please, for the match?
5 bonus seconds. Emily.
I need those bonus card seconds. Let's try to match 5. Find a match for that under number 18.
Were you speaking Korean just now?
I was speaking Konglish.
Oh, okay.
Korean plus English, Konglish.
Konglish.
Yes.
You've got the Isle of St. Martin there. See if you can match that.
I'm gonna go for the old top and bottom trick and try to find that St. Martin trip under number 23.
That's tough.
If you follow, in case you had trouble following that, it's the old top and bottom trick that we use here on Classic Concentration from time to time. But by golly, she figured it out and it worked for Emily. So we're opening these 2 panels for this young lady. Dynamite player. Go again, Emily.
Okay, let's find some mountain bikes under number 12.
Mountain bikes, dishwasher.
I can't take that to the beach, but I'll take it anyways. Under number 10.
5 bonus seconds. Before Don gets to make a selection, Emily, where did the mountain bikes come from?
That's what I wanted to win
Oh,
in this show. So I am just.
You're too
I
much,
know.
I don't even know if we've got mountain bikes.
I believe that there's some mountain bikes back there.
Okay, let's find her mountain bikes up there somewhere.
Okay, Don, you pick.
Okay, her mountain bikes are under number 6.
Mine. Mountain bikes. This one.
Grandfather
Ooh,
clock.
and a match for number 21.
You got it. Grandfather clock is a great match. Each of you with a very good prize. Different prizes, of course, but very good and very expensive. Both of these are. She has St. Martin, and you have a green take.
I'll take that trip. I'll take that trip.
Right now?
Yes, sir.
You're not worried that he takes it so early?
I take it back.
You'll take it back?
There's
All right.
something red over there.
Something red is over there. It's a red take. Let's open these 2 panels, though, for Dawn. Pick again.
Okay, let's keep this ball rolling here. Under number 25,
Red take. There's the red that Emily was seeing.
is the match for that number 12?
No, that's the dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Emily.
Okay, let's try to find a match for that dishwasher under number 13.
Cash pot.
Oh.
$600.
I'm gonna go for that old side-by-side trick and look on the number 14 for the cash pot.
Whammy.
Oh,
Okay.
So much for the old side-by-side trick.
you guys got me there.
Sweet
We got
revenge,
you.
Emily.
We got you
Sweet
there.
Done.
revenge. Okay, let's go with number 10. And
So-
the match under number 14.
For the bonus seconds. That's the old diagonal trick.
All right, Don, you need that. You need that.
All right, open it up for Dawn.
That's a tough one.
Go again.
Okay, let's keep it going now. Under number 3,
Fishing trip for 2.
how my wife bait my hook. The match for number 20.
Microwave oven, no match. Emily.
Let's try to find a match for the cash pot on the number 19.
Microwave.
Was that on the number 20?
Yes, girl.
Yeah. You almost did a blank on us on that one. All right, the microwave's up there. Take a look. Pick again.
Okay, let's see if the cash is under number 16.
Dishwasher.
Oh, dishwasher, finally under number 12.
Right. A match for Emily, a prize for Emily, and a chance to solve the puzzle for Emily.
Okay.
Again.
Let's see what's behind number 24.
Diamond tennis bracelet.
Ooh. I'm gonna find that bracelet on the number 5.
What do you do, Alex? What do you do? What do you do?
It works. You don't do anything.
What do
You
you
just
do?
keep studying the puzzle and hope that, for your sake, Emily makes a mistake because you're vulnerable in this match.
Yeah.
Open it up. Go again, Emily.
Okay, let's open up the puzzle behind number 3.
Fishing trip for
Oh,
2.
that's right. Hope that fishing trip for 2 is under number 17.
Nope. There's the cash. Done.
Okay, let's go with number 13
Cash.
and number 17 for the match.
Cash. $600 worth. Plus some great prizes. Take a look. Pick again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to reveal most of the work for us is at the top of the puzzle. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 11, 25. Done.
Is it a menace to society?
Is it a menace to society? It is indeed. Had to study it carefully. Come on, Don. A big win.
I'm stoked.
You're what?
I'm stoked.
Okay, well, get over there and explain it.
All right. Okay, we got, where am I here? Okay, we got hey, man, and an S, a menace to S-I-hit-T. A menace to society.
Menace to society. You were a menace to Emily in that game. You beat her and gave her her first X,
Yes.
and that means that when she returns to the show,
Go.
tiebreaker, deciding game between the two of you. We'll see you then, Emily. Don, big prizes coming your way. Listen to this. Gene, tell them.
A cash pot worth $600 and the Isle of St. Martin.
Thank you, Lord.
We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at St. Martin's La Belle Creole, a beachfront resort with the intriguing charm of the French Mediterranean, distinctive island cuisine, and secluded beaches. Furnished by Conrad Hotels La Belle Creole. And, of course, the elegant grandfather clock and the 5 bonus car seconds. Prizes totaling $6,963.
$6,963. And a chance to win a brand new car, too, Don. We'll be back after this break.
Yeah.
Don has begun having a really good time.
Yes, sir.
Here are the 15 numbered squares, and here is the clock with 35 seconds, but you picked up the bonus, so you're working with 40. Off you go, Don. Good luck.
Okay, 1, 2,
No,
14, 15.
no,
1, 14.
yep,
11, 12.
no,
4, 5. 11, 4.
no,
12, 4.
yes,
8, 9.
no,
5, 6.
no,
8, 6.
yep,
2, 3.
no,
3, 13.
no,
10, 3.
no,
Oh, 5, 7.
No.
5, 11.
no,
3, 11.
yep,
Oh, 9:50.
I think the next one was a 5:13 at Le Mans, but that's okay.
I got hooked on it.
That's all right. You've got a big win behind you, $6,963, and you're going to get to face the mighty Emily again on our next show. Right now, we're going to take a break after this from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive a Princess House Products gift certificate, beautiful hand-blown, hand-cut lead crystal, elegant giftware, cookware, and decorative accessories furnished by Princess House. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
All right. Be sure and join us tomorrow, the deciding game between Don and Emily. Should be exciting. We'll see you then. So long, everyone.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.